Hello everyone. Today your homework is in the ESL Library website. So go to your online classroom, click on CLB2 Afternoon English class, scroll down and click on the ESL Library website link. Now you need to type in your username and password. Remember, I emailed you your username and password for ESL Library website. It's not the same as online classroom username and password. Password is English level 2. You log in and now you will see your homework. So this is about the grammar that we studied yesterday, present continuous or present progressive. You click here and then you will see a couple of activities that you should do. Don't look at the list, it's long, but each of them is short. So click on Start. So the first one is a picture dictionary. You learn some new vocabulary. So click on Start again. Okay. Now if you click on the picture, you will see the words. So be sleeping. What is she doing? She is sleeping. What is be? Am is are. Then you click Next. Again, what is he doing? Be eating. He is eating. You click on the next one. So when you click on the picture, you will see the words. And then you go to the next one, next. So there are 12 pictures. Again, you click on the picture, be swimming. He is swimming. Click on next. And now you're finished. You click back to assignments. If you want to do the activity again, you click try again. If you want to go back, you click on back to assignments. And now you click on activity 2, start. Click start again. Okay, now you have to match. So be drinking, be eating, be sleeping. Okay, so drinking, you click here and then you click here, you match. Be eating, click on the picture, click on the word, click on the picture, click on the word, and now click I'm finished. Okay, now my score is 3 out of 3. Good job. This is very good. Again, you can try again. You can check your answers here. So all my answers are correct. You can try the activity again, or you can go back to the homework. And then you click on the second one. So this is again, second one. It's again matching, so you have to match. So again, I'm finished. Oops, this one, this time my score is not good. 1 out of 3. So I can try again if my score is not good. But I go back to assignments. So you finish the verbs, you match verbs A, B, C, and D. You have to match. Click on the next one. So make present progressive sentences. Now you have to make sentences. Click start. So for example, look, I am running. Click on the second picture. Okay, what is she doing? So I am reading. Next. What is she doing? Next. This is all with I, okay, all with I. And then click submit, submit, and then back to assignments. You can check your answers here. You can try the activity again. So you do this, the same thing, make sentences for I, for you, he, she, it, we, they, the student, the students. So for example, this one, click start. Okay, example. The student is laughing. Click on the next one. The student is he or she. So is reading. Click on the next one, next, next. And then when you finish, you submit your answers. And you go back to assignments. So you have to finish all these activities, and finally there's a quiz. Click on the quiz. Again, you have to make sentences. Click start. This is an example. I am talking. Next. You are swimming. So you click on next, next. There are 9 sentences. And when you finish, click on submit. Submit your answers. So you see my score 1 out of 9, not very good. So I can try again. I can check my answers. And I can go back to assignments. So please finish all these activities. You have time until Thursday noon, 12 p.m. Okay, have a good day, everybody, and there's no school tomorrow. Goodbye.